Following a death at one amusement park, a lawyer shares insight on how this case may move forward. WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Brooklyn Kent tells us more.
Jeffrey Piccolo is suing Disney after the death of his wife, Kanakporn Tangswan, died of an allergic reaction after the two ate at Raglan Road restaurant within Disney Springs Park.
It's ultimately her case. So it's the husband filing a wrongful death suit on behalf of her estate. So what they're saying is she was the one that purchased the subscription and she was the one that purchased the park ticket. He's just the legal representative who's bringing the case on behalf of the wife.
Russell Morgan, a legal expert, says that due to Piccolo's wife signing up for their Disney Plus subscription, she unknowingly agreed to having a case such as this one sent to arbitration.
Deciding how much wrongful death is worth or someone's life is worth after death isn't decided by a jury of 6 or a jury of 12 of your peers. It's now a handful of lawyers, in most cases, 2 or 3 arbitrators that are making a legally binding decision that you can appeal, that you cannot take to a higher court.
Morgan believes cases like wrongful death do not belong in arbitration court. Arbitration usually covers contracts, bargaining cases, and community disputes.
To have the case transferred to arbitration is being done by Disney to minimize bad press and limit potential damages. And how this can have a broader impact on how companies in general are using legal tactics like this to protect their image and protect their finances.
Morgan says that users of platforms of Disney Plus and other apps need to be sure of what they are signing when it comes to terms and conditions.
Focus on the important parts. Focus on the parts about what happens if something goes wrong. Just read that part before you sign off, because you got to check the box, right? And in most apps nowadays, it's not just hit the box and move on. You actually have to scroll through the whole thing.
We have reached out to Disney on 2 different email accounts and have not heard back from them regarding this matter. In East Jackson, Brooklyn Kent, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.
Disney and Piccolo will both present their arguments on Wednesday, October 2nd.